Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are the legitimate account holder. Have your client ID and the registered mobile available. Once done, open the Kite app. Do not try third-party tools. Make sure the app is updated. Older builds sometimes hide security settings. You will need to receive an OTP, so verify mobile connectivity. Now tap your profile icon to access account controls and get ready to reach the security section where biometric options live. Next, navigate to Profile, then Settings, and open Security or Login Settings. This is where authentication choices are grouped. Locate the Biometric or Face ID toggle. The app will usually ask for OTP or your app PIN to confirm changes, so provide that promptly. Toggle Biometric off and follow on-screen prompts to confirm. This step preserves your account integrity by requiring verification, so you can't remove. Finish by signing out and signing back in to verify biometric is disabled. This ensures the app applied settings. If you don't see the biometric toggle, first update or reinstall the app, and if needed, clear app data. Make sure you can receive OTP before doing so. If problems persist, contact Zerodha support with your client ID and registered number. They can verify identity and assist. If you get stuck, don't share credentials with anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.